George's new dinosaur. George's favorite toy is Mr. Dinosaur. George likes bouncing Mr. Dinosaur in the garden, playing with him at bath time, and cuddling with him when he goes to sleep. At bedtime, Peppa says, "George, I think Mr. Dinosaur is broken." George is very upset. Mommy and Daddy Pig come to see why George is crying. "Poor George," says Daddy Pig. "Maybe it's time you got a new dinosaur." The next day, Peppa, George, Mommy Pig, and Daddy Pig visit Mr. Fox's shop. "I'm sure we'll find a lovely dinosaur here, George," says Mommy Pig. "Look, George," says Daddy Pig, pointing to the shop window. "There is a big one." "Ooh, dinosaur," says George. "Good morning," says Mr. Fox. "Can I help you?" "We'd like to buy the dinosaur in the window, please," says Daddy Pig. "Good choice," says Mr. Fox. "This is Dino Roar. He walks, he talks, and he sings." "Dino Roar," says George. "We'll take it," says Daddy Pig. George is playing with Dino Roar in the garden. Dino Roar sings, "Dino Roar, listen to the Dino Roar, roar." "Careful, George," says Daddy Pig. "Don't play too roughly because Dino Roar will break." George wants to play with Dino Roar in the bath. "Dino Roar," says George. Mommy Pig says, "George, if you get Dino Roar wet, he will stop working." Peppa and George are asleep in the bed, but suddenly Dino Roar comes to life. "Listen to Dino Roar. Roar." "George," says Peppa, "Dino Roar has woken me up." "Maybe Dino Roar should sleep somewhere else," says Daddy Pig, taking Dino Roar away. George is feeling sad. He cannot play with Dino Roar in the garden or the bath or even in the bed. "Don't worry, George," says Mommy Pig brightly. "Dino Roar can still roar." Dino Roar, listen to Dino Roar. Dino Roar stops walking and talking completely. "I think the batteries must have run out," says Mommy Pig. "Already? How many are there?" grumbles Daddy Pig as batteries pour out of Dino Roar. "Hundreds and thousands," cries Peppa. Suddenly Peppa spots something green under a bush. "What's this?" says Peppa. "Is it a trumpet? We found Mr. Dinosaur's tail," says Mommy Pig. "Now Daddy Pig can fix him." "He might be a bit difficult to fix," says Daddy Pig doubtfully. "But the tail slips perfectly into place." "Ho, ho, ho," chuckles Daddy Pig. "Hello, Mr. Dinosaur," says Peppa. "Dinosaur," says George. George is so happy to have his favorite toy back. Grrr. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. See you soon with the next story.